These pictures represent only a fraction of the extent of damage done by a wicked windstorm on Apapa Ashafa, a densely populated community in Agege, in the early hours of Monday. The aftermath of that unexpected visitor that swept through at least 20 streets leaves memories of huge losses of property. Rooftops of residential, churches and private schools, as well as public facilities, mostly damaged. Many had taken refuge at the Gondo relief camp. For some, home remains home. There's nowhere to go. Others try to fix the remains of the wreckage. Amidst heavy rains, Governor Babatunde Fashola leads some members of his cabinet, officials of the State Emergency Management Agency, and the Commissioner of Transport, whose family house was affected, to observe damages. The state government says it has already taken steps to assist those affected by the storm, just as the State Emergency Management Agency says it has taken refuge of over 4,000 people displaced.
They are with us in the relief camp. We are taking care of their well-being, feeding, clothing, and all that's necessary.
If you go around, you will see that some roofs have been replaced. Some are still in process, but everybody confirms to me that they have been enumerated. The materials needed to restore their roofs have been identified. Some have been provided, some are coming in. I want you to focus on that place. Just that.
The community is also prone to flood occasioned by blocked drainages. The governor draws the attention of residents to this anomaly.
You must bag refuse. Don't dump your refuse in the drains. They will constrict the drains that we've built, and on a heavy storm day, if the water does not find where to go, it will jump out of the drain and come into your homes.
The wreckage is estimated to be running into millions of naira. But the steps taken by the state government may go a long way to cushion the effect and enable those displaced to return to their homes soon. Kelvin Obetin, Channels Television News.